In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hyperlink to text in Telegram. If you've ever wanted a clean professional message, where a word or phrase is clickable instead of pasting a long URL, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and clear, so you can do it on either your phone or your computer without any confusion. First, open Telegram on your mobile device or on your desktop. Then open the chat or group where you want to share your link. This can be any conversation, private, group, or channel where you have permission to post. Type the text you want to turn into a link. Think of a short descriptive phrase that tells people where they'll go when they click. Once you've typed it, highlight that specific text. Selecting only the part you want clickable helps keep the rest of your message clean. If the link option isn't appearing later, double-check that the text is actually highlighted. On desktop, right-click the highlighted text and choose Formatting, then Create Link. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl-K to open the same link box quickly. The link window will pop up. Ready for the URL? On mobile, after highlighting the text, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the menu. From there, select Create Link. You'll see a field where you can add the URL. Now paste the URL into the box. Make sure it's complete and correct. Include HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning so Telegram recognizes it as a valid link. If you copied the link beforehand, this will be a quick paste. If you are typing it out, take a moment to confirm there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small typo can break the link. When the URL looks good, click or tap Create. Telegram will attach that address to your highlighted text, turning it into a clean, clickable hyperlink. This keeps your message looking polished and helps readers understand exactly what they're clicking on without cluttering the chat with long URLs. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.